Hello everyone, welcome to Jompie Official's Learn Phonics series. Today we are starting with letter C. We have already done many letters. Today we are starting with C. C makes the sound K. K. Okay, now C. How will you read the words? C. C makes two different sounds. One is the hard sound and one is the soft sound. But we are not going to study about that right now. We are just going to learn the basic sound of C. That's K. These rules we'll read at a later stage. Okay. How will we read the word now? Can. Another word. Cap. Okay, if I replace P with B now, how? No, we have not learned B, so I'll prefer writing B. Okay. Cat. Okay, let me take some. Okay, we learned the sound of O in the last video. So let's read this now. Cot. Okay, we also. Okay, thank you for watching everyone.